guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Zelle error code 2900. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So there's a few things you can do here to probably solve this issue. One of them is to make sure that you're using the latest version of the Zelle app. Start by ensuring that you have the latest version of the Zelle app. Open the App Store on your device, tap on the search icon located on the bottom right corner, or if you're using Android device, make sure to click on the very top section or the search bar there. Now type in Zelle in the search bar and look for the app. If you see any update button, go ahead and click on it to basically update the Zelle app. Now once you've done that, go ahead and close the actual store here and open up Zelle and see if that solves the issue. Now if that doesn't solve the issue, the next thing you want to do is you want to clear your app cache. So in this case, what you need to do is you just need to go ahead and look for the actual app itself, press and hold on it, and basically click on the option that says app info. Now at the bottom right, you should be able to see the option that says clear data. So in this case, go ahead and click on it and click on clear cache. But if you're using an iPhone, what you need to do is you need to basically go to your device settings, click on general, select iPhone storage, and find the Zelle app from the list. Now, from then on, click on Upload App and confirm by tapping again. Wait for the uploading process to complete, and once done, reinstall button will appear. Tap on it and reinstall the app. Now, finally, if that doesn't work, the last thing that you can do here is to basically uninstall the actual Zelle app and reinstall it again. Sometimes reinstalling the app can solve a lot of issues, because in this case, you'll be starting from scratch. Now in this case, you could go ahead and reinstall it again and restart your phone, and once you've done that, you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.